Are you looking to use SuiteDash to monitor client activity and engagement more effectively? You've come to the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll guide you through exactly how you can track your clients, gather valuable insights, and make more informed decisions with SuiteDash. By the end, I'll also introduce a competitor that offers even better options for this goal, so stick around for some great alternatives. Let's get into it. First up, SuiteDash allows you to keep a close eye on client engagement with real-time activity tracking. This is essential for understanding how your clients are interacting with your content, services, and communications. By monitoring their actions within the portal, you can spot areas where clients are engaging or falling off. This kind of data is crucial if you're looking to improve your offerings and keep clients engaged. Next, SuiteDash makes it easy to set up automated notifications for client activity. You can get alerts when clients view documents, submit forms, or even interact with tasks you've assigned to them. This proactive approach helps you stay on top of client engagement without having to constantly check back in manually. The benefit here is efficiency. It saves you time and ensures you're always aware of critical moments in the client journey. The third thing to look at is SuiteDash's built-in analytics dashboard. With it, you can get detailed insights into how clients are progressing through your system. You'll be able to identify patterns. Are they opening emails on time? Are they completing tasks? This will give you a comprehensive picture of client engagement, which helps to tailor your strategy and boost results. Next, SuiteDash offers client-specific portals where you can view individual client activity. This gives you a snapshot of how each client is engaging with your services. If there's a client that's falling behind or not interacting as expected, you can reach out directly with personalized communications, ensuring a more tailored experience. One more great feature is the ability to monitor task completion within the platform. You can assign tasks to clients, track their progress, and set deadlines. This keeps your clients engaged and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. When you're managing multiple clients, it's crucial to have this level of oversight to keep everything on track. Now, while SuiteDash has some solid features for client activity and engagement, I want to mention a few alternatives that might actually offer better tools for this purpose. These alternatives provide more granular insights and offer more advanced features like better segmentation, automated workflows, and deeper integrations with other software. Lastly, if you decide SuiteDash is the right fit for you, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through the link in the description. Not only will you get full access to the software, but you'll also unlock some extra benefits that aren't available anywhere else. And don't forget to check out the alternatives I mentioned. They also offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive offers in the description.